We have been in a fog, and as we emerged, we see the world's been pushed to the brink. And so have you. I'm Dr. David Owers, I'm the Doc of DeFi, and I am still at the airport being pushed somewhat, a little bit to the brink, but not quite. You know, we made the best of it, me and Rudy, and I managed to get some productivity done today. Luckily there was a sort of a business area that we can be in, and made the best of what was going on today, and trusting, and also having patience. I actually saw the person at the podium after the third delay, and it was a little difficult for everyone around to deal with the third delay in a row. There was actually a couple that flew in from Hong Kong with a young child, so they're on hour 30 right now with this young child, and understandably they had a few words for the person at the podium, but they remained calm, they remained as helpful as they could, and for that I decided to brighten their day, and I went and got them a coffee gift card and just gave that to them with a thank you. Hopefully we will be taking off. We're just waiting for a crew to arrive. But it's patience. And I thought to myself, you know, patience is where the action is, as a matter of fact, in a lot of things, including investing. I believe a lot of top investors find that it's not necessarily good to keep investing in a market. It is better to increase your cash position patiently, and that way you're actionable. When something comes along and you've taken the time and patience to take a look at that, and it's the right move, you have enough cash accumulated that you can do something about that and really get in on a deal that A, fits with you sort of in what you're trying to accomplish, fits with your ideology, it's been properly researched, and it comes from a position of patience, comes from a position of analysis as well. So dollar cost averaging is something that can also be done. That is what's known in some circles as passive investing. So patience, passive investing are the two strategies that are important in any market, particularly a bear market. So that's what I would suggest. Of course, I'm not a financial planner. I'm not asking you or telling you to do any one specific thing, but it's a strategy you can think about. And there are coins out there, if you wish to accumulate a cash position in them, as opposed to simply cash, fiat currency cash, called stable coins. And those are pegged one-to-one to a fiat currency. In this part of the world is the US dollar, and it is one-to-one, so it's not really a volatile thing to do whatsoever, except for the fact that depending on where it's held, it might be taken away from you, or could be hacked, or whatever else, in a centralized exchange where rules change and rules change on the exchanges themselves, sometimes beyond their control. But that's one thing to do. You can think about patience and passive investing for the moment, and you can continue to analyze, continue to wait and see what the opportune things might occur and come your way, and then pounce with a sizable enough cash position that the investment might pay off in dividends. Of course, you never do anything that you're not willing to lose completely, and that amount of cash position that you put should never put you in financial hardships, and never impede your liquidity of living, basically. But anyways, so just a few thoughts as I'm being patient today for other reasons, patience and passive investing. We'll catch you on the next video.